Hello. Good morning, everyone. Malapit na lang. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Packetworx. Activity in the Philippines. We are also a tel. Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. Today we're exploring uh, the Philippines, our vibrant culture and stunning landscape. So, surprisingly, Filipinos uh, are well known for high internet usage. So, in that slide, you can see our daily internet activities are 10 hours and 2 minutes. Mainly social media use. Okay, next please. Okay. The Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we live and work. So by 2025, industry experts projects that there will be 50 billion connected devices. And 76% of IoT devices consume less than 1 MB of data per month. So this represents 38 billion of all IoT devices and then 129 million devices in the Philippines. Okay. All right, next, please. These are some of the IoT, top 10 IoT applications. So we have smart cities, connected industries, connected buildings, connected cars, smart energy, and others. Okay, next, please. Next, please. Okay, next, please. Next. Yan. Okay. How Internet of Things works. So in Packetworx, we have a LoRaWAN devices. For example, ID tags, temperature sensors, environmental sensors. So from that, the data will be sent to our gateways. So since we are a telco company as well, we have a sort of a receivers, a gateways that will receive the data. So it is spread worldwide, nationwide rather, and then from that the data will be sent through our server, and then to a user web application or visualization. Next, please. Okay. Throughout the years, we have developed more than devices. So Packetworx started 2018. So we have different variants of sensor devices, mainly IoT, LoRaWAN connectivity. So we have from environmental, Packet Air, which is a air quality that detects and monitors CO2, air quality parameters. And then the temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, and then the agriculture and farming, we have LoRaWAN Packet Soil, soil moisture sensor, Packet Weather, flood monitoring, and then, yeah, that's it. For we have energy and water consumption, we have energy and then packet meter. It is a water meter that will get or the and then some other security, and then ito, monitoring and equipment and energy monitoring. Ayan. So this one, itong isa, it's current clamp. So it's monitoring the current of the facility, and then send the data to the cloud. So, yan. So Packetworx, longest range recorded by Packetworx is in the Philippines is 51 kilometers using our devices and our gateways. Next, please. So in Packetworx, we are also a research and development company. So we develop our own devices from different clients and customers' use cases. This is our network or our company development structure. So from a use case, we have a hardware developer, our hardware engineers. From use case ni client, we develop yung schematic, and then yung PCB, yung mechanical mounting, and then yung enclosures. We develop that in our office. And then from that, yung device na design ni hardware developer will send the data through LoRaWAN connectivity to the gateway, and then the gateway will send the packets to the network, the Things network, and then we have a software developer as well. So from there, from LNS, from network server, we will get the data and then the visualization. So for us, we have the packet view, or for our client end, meron silang kung meron silang sarili na visualization, yan, doon din mapupunta sa end users. Okay, next please. Packetworx is also a social enterprise, and we want to expand the knowledge of the IoT and LoRaWAN as well. So we want for people to know the LoRaWAN connectivity. So by that, we have a Packetworx, our own Packetworx development kit and Packetworx development board. So yung Packetworx development board namin, meron siyang ESP32 on board, and then yung LoRaWAN chip on board nandun na rin. So now, next slide please. Packetworx, ito yung Packetworx development board namin. So Arduino yung tawag siya sa kanya nung una. And then this time, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So it is integrated with LoRaWAN chip. So you can directly connect your device or your project to our network if you use our board. And then the ESP32 development system on chip. And then yan yung development board ng Packetworx. Next please. Next po. Ayan, okay. So yung features ng development board, so merong LoRaWAN connectivity, seamless integration for long-range wireless communication. Since we're using the LoRaWAN chip that we're using, so you can directly connect to our network if you use our development board. And addition of the ESP32 chip, yun nga yung Wi-Fi capability, and then Bluetooth capability as well. And then new design will be fitted to a breadboard. Yan, compact design, and then flexible interface for connecting sensors, actuators, and then the board has already a PCB antenna as well. And then user interface is USB Type-C. And then we have our own firmware engineers, firmware developers. So you can reach out to our developers as well for your firmware and Arduino code as well. Yan, next please. Yan, ito yung starter pack or development kit information na ibibigay with our development board. So it's mainly to get started, no? Para maintindihan or ma-practice kung paano paganahin. So merong may included na yan, OLED display, and then accelerometer, ultrasonic, and then sensor probe. Next. Yan. Yan yung specs ng OLED. Next. 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 Alright. So, medyo maliit, no? Integrated na siya. So, gagawin nila lang is Arduino. So, makikita nyo siya sa boards. Packetworx boards, and then Packetduino ESP32. So, integrated na siya. So, accessible for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Yan. Alright. Next. Okay. Pakibalik po. Packetworx, in cooperation with the ICT, is capping off the ICT month with the biggest this year. To invite you to the upcoming IoT Conference 2024 at World Trade Center, June 20 to 26. For info, please visit more details and updates. So we have our sa likod for more info about our devices and our networks. And to end this presentation, so I'm Bernard, one of the product developer of Packetworx, and also the OIC of production engineer. And we have our own pick and place machine at our office. We have our own conveyor oven. So at Packetworx, doon na namin ina-assemble yung mga devices namin and all the R&D and testing. Yeah. So shout out to my production team, and also shout out to the marketing team sa likod. Okay. So with that, thank you for having us.